So yeah guys, I just found a bit of brake cleaner through the block. GoPro's just on charge at the moment. I haven't got a lot of memory on this. I've got a lot of videos put out though, so this will be afterwards. But yeah, right now just getting out these 14mm plugs at the back of the block. As you can see, really slack on one of them. This one was very tight. It's calling for the big girl. So oh yeah, it's just see a lot of water there. I don't know if it's water or thread lock they've used. I don't really know what you use. Yeah, see what I'm saying? All that shit in there. And if I left them in, yeah, you know the score with that. So I'm going to be running AN10 bungs out of this anyway, so that'll be all good. But yeah, let's get this other one out and we'll crack on. So yeah guys, I just looked online and I couldn't actually find the torque setting for this, but I did find someone put up that they work at a Cura dealership. Obviously that's America, and they did say that these ports or these plugs have to be torqued to 93 foot-pounds. So that's what I've done, and I've just gave you a little, you know, this shit right here, German. But yeah, just when it dries, obviously it's just like a, you know, indication as to say I've tightened everything. That's what I'll be using on most of the bolts that I've torqued, just for a peace of mind, and you know, it's just like a tick list basically. So yeah, I just had to struggle with this one, getting the ratchet in there, but that one is done as well. So I'm just going to mark this one up as well. Let's see if I can get in there. Oh, it's going to be tight. Okay. Can't get it straight, so good. But yeah, just for a peace of mind. So yeah, that's that. Did also clean up the oil squirters as well. Just put them in this bag. They have got a little surface rust on them, but they were pretty clogged, so I just let them soak in this brake cleaner. As you can see, this is brake cleaner, guys. Yeah, and that's what it's turned it to. So I left them in there for about 20 minutes, half an hour. Now I took them out, gave them another thing of brake cleaner. Literally, just kept brake cleaner in them out, man. And then I could actually blow through them. But yeah, they're done. So I'm going to install them as well, and yeah, man, I'm going to get cracking. So stay tuned. So yeah guys, since they're all done, I'm going ahead and installing the XR Racing block breathers. So as you see, I've got the bottom one in. It's just got a double seal, like a double rubber. Just put some oil around it just to help her in, and yeah, she went in smooth. Also installed one of them as well. Comes with 3, so you get 2 of these and the plug for the bottom there. This is for the stock like charcoal canister. Well, we're not going to be running that. And yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and install this one here, and then I'll update you guys. But yeah, these are -10 fittings, so we'll run one of them, the catch cans that sit in the corner with 4 ports. So we'll probably have 2 from the back of the rock cover and 2 from the block, so it should be breathing lovely. So yeah man, stay tuned guys. Get in there, get in there, get in there. Yeah. So yes guys, just been doing a little calculation on these ring gaps. So as we see here, these are the bores for people who don't know. So CP, Carrillo, obviously they give you a spec sheet with your pistons, and this is what I've done to convert it. So 81.5, so they give you like a little calculation how to do it. So bore size 81, and then you got to turn it into inches. So for my calculation, you just type in 81.5, because that's what the bore size is, so it's 81.5 mil, and then you convert it to inches. So that gave me 3.209 inches, which is 81.5. And with here, this is how you calculate your ring. So here we have on this column the top ring, so nitrous / turbo supercharged, which this one is Phantom behind there. So you do your bore, which is 3.209 inches, and you times it by 0.0055 of an inch, and that gave me 0.17. So I'm going to gap the top ring to 0.17 of an inch, and then your second ring, which is the bottom one, you either do you can either go 0.4, or well, it gives you a tolerance of 0.4 to 0.8 bigger than the top ring. So I'm probably going to go either 21 or 22 with the second ring. I think, if I remember, that's what I've done in the EK47 as well, because I think it was pretty much the same. So yeah, got my calculations here, and I'm going to be getting on with this now, so stay tuned. 23,000. Is it?
Yeah.
Butter. Lovely. Right, so yes guys, we're literally on our last ring pack now. I'll take you over here and I'll show you. Did actually get all these ones completed. So this is cylinder 1, cylinder 2, cylinder 3. So we got the top ring to 19 thou on all of them, and the bottom ring 23 on all of them as well. Funny thing is about the bottom ring on these, I don't know why, but never had to gap them. A lot of people have had this as well with CP, even Y-scope pistons as well. Sometimes in certain cases the bottom ring don't need gapping. So normally, like I said in the previous clip, that the bottom ring needs to be 0.004 to 0.008 in tolerance of the other ring. So I'm going to show you is basically just getting this, how we done it basically. Because I was there with the file for ages, it was just taking forever, man. So we just used, I've done it the old school way with the angle grinder and just slowly zoop, zoop. Like, I don't leave no burrs either, so it was sweet. So on these rings, I don't know if you'll be able to see it on camera, but they actually have a number here. Some of them just say N, but these ones actually say N50. That side always faces up, and your top ring will always be shiny, and the bottom ring is like a matte black kind of color. I'll show you actually. So if you look here, see the bottom ring's a bit thicker and it's like a matte black finish. So that's always your second ring. So firstly we'll get this top ring installed. So we just get it in the ball like so. You always put the bottom in first, so this bit will always go in first like that, and then just squeeze the top. Then you just squeeze the top around like so. So you just want it literally level like that at the moment. You get one of your pistons and literally just make sure it's flush all round, so all four corners are flush. So we'll go around it all, just light a little bit. Yeah, that light's going. Yeah. So yeah, we'll just go around and make sure we're level on all four. We're looking good there. Cool. Right. So what we'll do now is check like the preset ring gap that they give you. So I'm guessing most of the others have been like 0.14 to 0.13 to 0.14, shall I say. So we'll try 1.3 in it first. Yeah, it's about 1.3. This one might even be 12. Let me just make sure this is flush. Might even be 12. Oh yeah, it is 13. Should feel like a little bit of drag on it, which you can feel. So what we'll do now, we'll get on the grinder and we'll just take off bit by bit. You don't want to go too mad with it, guys. So what I normally do is, I never go on the side of this where the number is, or the letters. I always go on the opposite side and then just go with it very slowly. Like you just literally, someone will hold the grinder and you can put the grinder in like a vice or something, and then you just quickly just dabble on it. But we'll put the camera down and we'll show you guys anyway, so stay tuned. So yeah guys, literally just that little bit of grinding you see us do took off 2 thou already. So as you see, I've got a 0.15 of an inch, and sorry, 0.015 of an inch, and I'll go in there, feel a little bit of drag, and the 16 shouldn't fit, but that's why I said it takes off meat so quick, you know what I mean? You've got to be careful with how, see, even the 16 does go in, it's a bit hard. So yeah, we're basically at 15 right now, so we'll take a little more off, but you get the idea guys. So when we finish this,